Hello students of class 9. In the last video I explained about the iron and steel industry and the causes for the development also. In this video I'm going to start with the problems of this iron and steel industry. Okay, problem of the iron and steel industry specifically means problems about the ISCO. Okay, what are the problems that are being faced by the ISCO? Okay, so the first problem that are being faced by the ISCO is the coking coal that is obtained from the Ramnagar colliery is not of the high quality. Because it is not high quality, the quantity of the ash that is being produced are more. Next is that this particular industry lacks the maintenance cost, and because it lacks the maintenance cost, as a result of that the machineries are old and there is a lack of the modern machineries available in this ISCO means in the iron and steel industry of the ISCO. Next is that lack of the fund is also, there is a lack of the fund for the modernization. Modernization of the industry is very much required for the overall production of the industry, and also for the lack of the lack of the fund involves the lack of the modern machineries that are required for this industries. Next is that inadequate power supply, the power that is being supplied. So I said in the last part that ISCO has got its own power unit, and but the power supply is from that unit is also faulty because of the dysfunctioning of the generator. Number 5 point is that it has the inefficient planning, means the planning that is required for the overall working of this industry is not of the adequate, because excessive control leading to the delay of the production, and as a result of that the consequent price of the outputs are increasing. Next is that blast furnace. The blast furnace route is very quite expensive and lead to the heavy losses. So this blast furnace is again another problem for this iron and steel industry, means iron and steel industry of this ISCO. Okay, so in spite of all the growth that the industry has got, these are all the problems that the industry is mainly facing. Okay, but some prospects of the modernization of the industries has also been given. It's that the proposal of the modernization for the ISCO came or brought under the consideration, and it started late in the 2006, and with this the expansion of the units are in the final stage of the completion, and the company or this ISCO has been expected to be more and more means the operation of this ISCO will be improved, and the efficiency and the performance will be also good. Next we are going to start today about the Durgapur steel plant. So Durgapur is another one of the important iron and steel industry of our West Bengal. It is situated in the Durgapur districts of the West Bengal. It is now under it is also operated under the SAIL India Limited. The Durgapur plant, DPS is another name. It started the production in the year, means Durgapur steel plants is another name is DSP. So this DSP has started its production in the year 1962. So now let us see what are the causes for the development of this DSP. So the first point is that iron. So the iron, the DSP gets its source of iron from the Singhbhum and the Keonjhar districts of Singhbhum districts of Singhbhum district of Jharkhand and Keonjhar districts of the Orissa. Next is that high grade coking coal that is required for the industry is obtained from the Raniganj and of our West Bengal and Jharia of Jharkhand. Next is that manganese, the manganese that is required for the processing of this industry, for the processing of the iron and steel plant, that manganese is being extracted or imported from the Barbil and Bonai region of northern Orissa. Next is that limestone and the dolomite, another important two of the important raw material required for the processing industry, are being taken from or are being imported from the Birmithrapur. So this Birmithrapur is in Orissa. Next, the bundle of the water that is required for the industry is being supplied by the river Damodar, because this where the plant is located over here, the Damodar river is present and it provides the water that is required. Next is that transport. The This plant means this Durgapur and the steel plants enjoys a excellent transport facility by this Kolkata Delhi railway lines, because this is connected, means this region is connected by towards throughout the India by this Kolkata Delhi railway lines. Next point is the port. The import and the export of the finished products and the machineries are being done from this Kolkata port, which is located very near to the industries. And the last point is the cheap labor. The cheap labor is available from the districts of the West Bengal itself. Apart from the West Bengal, the neighboring states of this Jharkhand, Bihar and the Orissa provides the labor that is required for this industry, and those laborers are quite cheap. In spite of having the great causes of the development, this industry also suffers from the problems like technological obsolescence. Then the machineries that are being used in this industry are of old machineries, which lacks the huge amount of the production. Then lack of the maintenance. The maintenance of the machineries are also not being done. So because of this, it also suffers. Next, that frequent changes of the top personals are being done. When the situation, the frequent changes occurs, there is a problem that this leads to the problem to this industries. And next is that unhealthy relationship. So there is an unhealthy relationship exists between the labor and the management, which causes the slow decline of this particular industry. Next, the decreased procurement of the competitive orders. The next point is the production cost. There is an increase of the production cost, which is another problem to this particular industry. Last point is the lack of production of the alloy, and especially steel is also a problem. So the amount of the alloy and the steel that is being a special steel that is needed, this particular industry is lacking in this particular production of the alloy and the special steel. As a result of that, it is having because of this so many problems. This Durgapur steel plant is suffering a lot. In spite of this problem, some prospects are also there, or which has been taken up for the development of this industry. The first is that this industry, this particular DPS needs an investment for the modernization. So after the modernization occurred, this industry has started operating above the rated capacity, means whatever the capacity it is, started working more than that, and as a result of that, there is a chance for the momentous in the future. The governments are also taking for policies for the improvement, and those policies were made to achieve the global competitiveness in the perspective of this quality, cost, efficiency and productivity. So last one is that you can see that location of Durgapur Iron and Steel Plant. So you can see the star is actually showing you the location where the iron and steel industry is located, means Durgapur Iron and Steel Industry is located. So this is all about this iron and steel industry plant of India. So I'll continue with the next of the chapter in the next video. Thank you everyone.